Rocker Pat here. Hi guys, it is still another hot rockin' Alicia Jet Rose beautiful day. All right guys, well let's see what I've been doing all day. Today it has been talking to Petey Doggy. Hello, Mr. P Dog. So today I've been over here working on the torque box on the driver's side for this 1965 Ford Falcon convertible that we are trying to desperately get some frame stiffening going on there. Got my door gap looking a little better with it up on the lift. I've got my jack stand here, putting some tension on it so that it, closing the car up a little bit. And yeah, I'm happy with that because what I want to do is I want to weld this lower torque box into place, and that's all handmade out of 14 gauge steel, and it's pretty thick and hard to move around. I bent those things with the hydraulic press, and I've had to come in here and do a little adjustments. And as I plug weld this, I am going to continue to do some more adjusting to get that tighter right there. But for right now, let's see what all I've got done. I've had to make that little corner. I'm going to put a filler in there as well. I've got it all tied up against the, we'll call it the intermediate panel, up against there. That's all welded into place. We will build a continuation on this going over to the other side when I'm done getting this piece welded in. This hole is in there so that you can access the emergency brake cable. Oh, that's a factory hole. I did add another one up here due to I put that beam in there, and that's kind of making it a little hard to reach up into this spot. But I got everybody welded on the inside and primered up and everything, and now it is time to start putting this one in with the stitches. Yeah, it's been a long day of fitting. Been a lot of fitting going on here. There's been a lot of fitting, and I got to fit the way it needed to be, and then I'll get the rest of it welded in. But right now, I'm tired. It is Sunday afternoon, about 3:30, 4 o'clock. NASCAR's running around in circles, and I'm getting kind of hungry. I like a chicken fried steak tonight, but I don't know if I'm gonna get one or not. Yeah, all right, guys. Well, there you have it. Outer torque box ready to go in. 1965 Ford Falcon, and yeah, I'm happy with that. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. I got some more grinding it down to do.